So becoming a devotee of Lord Shiva is the most difficult thing in the world. Live like him. But Krishna's devotee, much better off. We got no problems. Yukta Vairagya. We are not attached. We have it, then it's okay. And do not have it, then it's okay. But Lord Shiva, no. Have it, throw it. How these, I don't understand, Prabhuji, how they work. Is it not right? Your master doesn't have anything, and the servant wants to have more than the master. They do not know also that Lord Shiva, I was in that temple in Centerville, Virginia. So they were doing the parikrama. So they asked me, how many parikramas should we do? I mean, how can I tell you? Because Shivji's parikrama you can only do is half. Then you got Shivji in the center also. Then you got Ramchandraji also and Radha Krishna also. Those parikrama has to be done 4 times and Shivji's has to be done half parikrama. Yes, you can't do more than half. You have to do like this and come back. That is actually how you do Shivji's parikrama. That is a Shastric injunction. नहीं कलयुग में चलता है. You can do it in Kalyug. Okay, give me exception. If there is a rule, there should be exception to the rule. Show me in Vedas where is it written. No. You're making a fool out of people? You're making a fool of yourself? Why are you doing this? The first quality of a Brahman is to be truthful. Is it right or wrong, Prabhu? That is the first qualification of a Brahman. He should be truthful. How can you do this? The biggest problem with us has been, we have been respected as Indians due to our knowledge, not due to our temples. For God's sake, remember one thing. In international community of people who are intellectuals, have respected our books and knowledge. They have respected our Upanishads, have respected our Bhagavad Gita. Whoever has read them have stated that there is no knowledge greater than this. And what have we done? That knowledge then teaches you that then you go to the Lord and have his darshan. You will get darshan. You will have a connection. That's why coming to the temple is very, very, very important. Because in the temple, every time there used to be classes going on, Prabhuji. That should actually be the temple, should be the place of understanding. Understanding whom? God. You're coming here, but you're not trying to understand God. You're trying that God should understand you and do what you want. Other way around. What can we do? That's what I'm trying. That's what Prabhupada actually tried. Because Prabhupada said my temple should be only temples of learning. It should be educational centers. That's what actually Prabhupada desired. He didn't desire to do any charitable work. Why? Because charitable work, a lot of organizations are doing. But who's teaching Bhagavad Gita purely? Just Bhagavad Gita, nothing else. And that also, theist view, not atheistic view. The theistic view. Who is doing it? And all of you say Vidya Dan is which is the highest Dan? Ishopanishad say there are 2 types of Vidyas. Avidya means material knowledge is called Avidya. By opening schools, you're not doing Vidya Dan. Remember one thing. Because there is no dearth of people who are opening schools. But how many people are opening schools of teaching Bhagavad Gita? That's why sometimes people ask me, in India they say to me, Arey, you can get a lot of money, start off food for life. Poor people give food, poor people, you'll get international donation. When I go to hell, when I'm not interested in it, there are so many people doing it. But my Guru Maharaj and I also understand that just by feeding food, nothing will happen. Why are they basically becoming poor? People who are rich also, कई बार लोग कहते हैं, प्रभु जी हिंदी, I'll just speak a little Hindi. Mercedes में बैठा तो he sees, the person says, oh बेचारा, गरीब को जैसे बेचारा. मैंने कहा जो अंदर बैठा है Mercedes में वो बेचारा है. How is he बेचारा? How is this person who's sitting in Mercedes is also a poor fellow? And this person who's on the road begging is also a poor fellow. मैंने कहा he's also not happy, both are not happy, so both are poor fellows. Right or wrong, Prabhu? Tell me one thing. Who's a bechara? He's also not happy, he's also not happy. So both are on the same boat. Because money, if you want money should give, something should give happiness, no? And you know that Lakshmi ji, when she comes alone, she comes, what is her vehicle? Owl, ullu. So when she comes alone, when she sits on someone, he becomes a ullu, owl. But when she comes with Vishnu ji sits on Garuda, and Garuda, when he's flapping his wings, Ved Dhwani is coming from there. The sound of Vedas is coming from there. So let both of them come. Don't ask Lakshmi ji alone. When she comes and sits on you, you become a ullu, owl, which means a fool. But when she comes with Narayan, then. So this is very important to understand this. This material world's nature, where you are staying. What I say, I'm going to the Arctic region. Okay, Prabhuji? I will take shorts, half sleeve, shirts. Is that the right dress? It's not. I go to Chirapunji, where we have the maximum rainfall. I say I'll make a house of mud. What's going to happen? So you should know the nature of this world. The person who's created it is saying Dukhalyam. That is why every religion talks of getting out of this place. Right, Prabhuji? That's not a natural place. Everything here is, matter is dead. I am living. That's why this place is also, another name for this place is Kuntha. Sanskrit word Kuntha means Kunthit. Kunthit means what? Dukhi, suffering. Kuntha means this. Vaikuntha means away from. Vai means away from suffering. The soul is actually got nothing to do with suffering. It is full of bliss. But because it is associating with the material world, that's why it is suffering. Now even to sometimes people say we go to Swarga. No, sorry. There is no happiness there. Because Brahma Lok is the highest in material enjoyment. Because there are different levels of enjoyment. Remember one thing. There is gross sense enjoyment, mental enjoyment, intellectual enjoyment, and ego enjoyment. Remember one thing. Every level.
Subscribe us on youtube.com/GiveGeeta. Like us on facebook.com/GiveGeeta. Follow us on twitter.com/GiveGeeta. Visit us at www.givegeeta.com. Email us at contact@givegeeta.com.